Hi, it's Dr. William. I just finished a BBL and I wanted to just show you something about the cuff. You don't hear me talking about the cuff very often. It's called the infragluteal crease is the name we call it, because it's infra is below, the gluteus is the butt, the gluteus muscle, and it's a crease. It's very much like your nasolabial crease, which is in your face, or your arm crease. These are things that are made, and I get asked frequently to create them, and I can't. But the interesting point is, I think people are always assume that if you have a crease, then it's going to look better. But here's a perfect example. She does not have a very well-defined crease. I can't make a crease for her, but she still looks really good. She still has a really good shape, and she still has a really pretty butt. And so I'm just going to show you a little bit here. You can see here, these are her two actual creases, and this is not uncommon for people to have two creases. And then on this side, she has a crease here and a crease here. There's actually like a little hint of a third one there even. And so it's not uncommon for people to have more than one crease. But if you actually see, her crease just kind of stops here and it stops here. And what I get asked frequently is like, oh, well, just make a crease like that. You can't. You cannot recreate this natural crease. So what I do is I kind of just, when I'm marking the patient, is I just imaginary line where this crease would be, and I usually kind of put a little hint just to remind myself she has two. And this is the line that I kind of use to determine why I don't want to just blow this out and add so much fat here that it obliterates whatever's here. So I just use this as an imaginary crease, but I want you to see her post-operatively and look at her butt, and you can see she still has a really pretty shape, even though she doesn't have these perfect creases on both sides. You can still have a really nice shape. She has this beautiful OG, which I love, and she's got some really nice projection. Her butt does go straight into the leg. There's no division because of the crease. There is here, but this is where her crease stops really short. So the moral of the story is you can still have a really pretty shape and a really nice butt without having a clearly defined fold or cuff, and we can't even make it anyway, so just don't worry about it. We use what you have, and we do the very best we can to get the very best shape, and sometimes we don't need to be perfect, and it still looks really pretty. Because I think she looks beautiful. I love her shape.